If Windows 10 or 11 update is stuck at 0% or downloading painfully slowly, you can remove delivery optimization and bandwidth bottlenecks in minutes. You'll first see how Windows combines Microsoft servers, caches, and peer devices to deliver update files securely. Then you'll check the network controls that can throttle the download and finish by returning to Windows Update. Delivery optimization does more than apply a speed limit. Its local service, dosvc.dll, runs inside a shared network service SVC host process and divides downloads into byte range segments. Your PC can fetch different pieces in parallel from Microsoft CDN, nearby peers, or a Microsoft connected cache server in a managed environment. It then combines those pieces into the completed file. If peers or a cache cannot provide the content, Windows automatically uses the standard Microsoft download path. Your PC does not blindly broadcast for update files. Geo, key value, content policy, discovery, and erase services coordinate matchmaking and return peers that cache the same content. Peer transfers use LED BAT over TCP port 7680, which yields when it detects competing normal traffic. Every segment is checked against a signed personal hash file obtained from Microsoft over an encrypted channel. If verification fails, Windows rejects that peer data and falls back to a direct HTTP download. The settings toggle represents several underlying download modes. HTTP only, mode 0, disables peer transfers, while LAN mode, mode 1, finds devices behind the same public IP and is the client default. Group mode, mode 2, can span internal subnets when devices share a group ID. Internet mode, mode 3, allows wider peering. Simple mode, 99, removes cloud service coordination. Bypass mode, 100, routes through the older bits path and is deprecated starting with Windows 11. 3 Microsoft distribution systems can look similar, but they are not interchangeable. Delivery optimization is a self-organizing mesh and can work without on-premises infrastructure. Branch cache stays inside your network, using distributed or hosted mode for WSUS and Configuration Manager bits-based workloads. Configuration Manager client peer cache instead uses boundary groups, with sources reporting cache state to a management point. When delivery optimization and branch cache are both available for supported content, delivery optimization takes priority. Start on the Windows Update page so you can distinguish a stalled download from a slow installation. Check whether the status remains at 0% or shows downloading with no movement for more than 10 minutes. If the status says installing instead, delivery optimization may not be the main issue because the download phase has already passed. A metered Ethernet connection can restrict update downloading, so this network setting matters. On the Ethernet settings page, click Metered Connection and make sure the connection is not being treated as metered while you test. If your internet plan has a strict data cap, leave it enabled until you are ready for the additional update usage. Temporarily removing peer devices gives you a cleaner direct download test. From Windows Update, open Advanced Options, select Delivery Optimization, and click Allow Downloads from other devices to turn it off. If the control is unavailable or changes back, an administrator may be enforcing the setting through organizational policy. Hidden foreground or background limits can make a healthy update connection appear stuck. Click Download Options to expand the controls that limit bandwidth used for downloads. Nothing is changed merely by exposing this section, so inspect the current values before adjusting them. If percentage limits are unsuitable for a genuinely slow connection, an absolute KB per second limit is more predictable. Upload activity can affect responsiveness when peer sharing is enabled, especially on a connection with limited upstream capacity. Click Upload Options to reveal the upload bandwidth control and monthly upload limit. Windows uses a default monthly upload cap of 20 gigabytes. If these controls are unavailable, peer downloads may already be disabled or managed by policy. You've now removed the main delivery optimization, metered network, and bandwidth variables that can make Windows Update crawl or appear stuck. For questions, updates, or help with your specific setup, join the discussion thread on windowsforum.com.